Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on your New Balance account. If you don't have a New Balance account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free shipping on orders $50 plus. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Add Payment Method at the bottom left side of this page. Click on Add Payment Method. On the Payment Methods page, enter information about your card. So on the first field, enter the name on card. On the second field, enter the card number. Next, click on the drop-down arrow to select the month and year. After that, click on the Save button. And now your payment method has been added. That's how you add a payment method on your New Balance account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.